I didn't invite you to the table to compete. I invited you so we could eat together. I checked your plate not to compare, not to measure, but to make sure you had enough. Because real love doesn't ask, why do you have more than me? Real love asks, do you need some of mine? But somewhere along the way, you stopped seeing the table and started seeing a scoreboard. You looked into my plate, counting what I had, measuring blessings, weighing portions, as if abundance were a crime and generosity came with a receipt. Listen to me. There is enough room at the table for all of us. Enough grace, enough purpose, enough light. Comparison is the thief that turns community into competition and turns gratitude into resentment. I wasn't trying to outshine you. I wasn't trying to have more. I was trying to make sure we both survived. Because when one of us eats, we all should eat. When one of us rises, we all should rise. Stop watching other people's plates and start tasting your own purpose. What's meant for you will never miss you. And what's meant for us was never meant to be divided by envy. Today, choose connection over comparison. Choose love over jealousy. Choose gratitude over resentment. There is still a seat for you. The table is still open. And you were never invited to compete. You were invited to belong. If this spoke to your heart, share it with someone who needs the reminder. And subscribe to Daily Dose of Inspiration for words that heal, uplift, and bring us back to what truly matters.